I was so excited. Me and my friend were all excited.
All I thought was all we do is just pick up trash and then go back to school. But when I get there, it was kind of fun.
I felt really glad that we had cleaned up many areas around the park, making it cleaner and greener than ever.
Hello everyone, my name is Thai Bung Jonai, a student from GP11A AI Chaang Rai campus.
Greetings everyone, my name is Kim Chai Edward Tan and I am an alumni at AI Chaang Rai campus.
My name is Sanasa. I came from class GP11B and I study at AI Chaang Rai campus.
For me, as I arrived at the location where we were going to clean up, I thought to myself, the riverside was already clean and there was little trash we could barely see. But my friend and I just went with the flow and started helping each other. But when we walked around the corner for a little bit, I realized that my thought was wrong. There was a lot of trash hidden in the bushes, on the grass, the shore, scattered all around the place. That was when we knew there was more work to be done.
Well, picking up trash, it helps the environment, it helps clean up the city, it helps clean up the park like that. But it's also fun because you get to do it with not you alone, with your friends and the others helping. And also, it's also healthy because you get to do a lot of physical activities.
Actually, the thing went pretty well because the teacher prepared very perfectly. And the problem I face is probably not the weather nor my friends. I think it's because of the plastic bag. You guys would not believe it, but the plastic bag ripped during the process. So next time, I think I will bring more extra plastic bags.
After we finished the day, I felt really glad that we had cleaned up many areas around the park, making it cleaner and greener than ever.
So this is a very new experience for me, but I enjoyed it so much. I didn't expect myself to enjoy it this much. My first impression is that I was so excited. Me and my friend were all excited.
After the project, I understood that the environment really needs our support and care. And I also realized how important it is for us to pay attention to the environment.
I'm very grateful to have a community like this, which helps a lot to the environment and means a lot to other people around us.